What's up, Frost fam? Tesla, Nvidia, and Palantir. 3 of the most watched stocks on the planet right now, and all 3 just pulled back off their highs this week. The question everyone is asking is the same question. Is this the dip to buy, or is it a broken chart? Today we map every level, every entry, and every stop. Plan, not a prediction. Let's go. Quick read on why these 3, Tesla, Nvidia, and Palantir, are not random picks. They are the 3 most searched tickers on stock TikTok and YouTube every single week. High volume, high volatility, and right now they all have the exact same setup. 3 massive names pulling back from their highs. Whether you are buying or watching, you need to know these levels. Number 1, Tesla, ticker TSLA. $336.87 right now. Tesla pushed all the way to $351 on Wednesday before pulling back hard. It has now given back $15 in 3 days. Support is sitting at $330. The question is whether it bounces here or continues lower. We map both. The chart on Tesla. Support at $330, then the stronger floor at $323, which was Monday's low. If Tesla holds $330, the bounce targets $342, then $351, which is the recent high. A reclaim of $351 opens $360 and beyond. Entry on the hold at $330, or a breakout above $342. Stop under $323. $323 is where the setup is wrong. The plan on Tesla. Buy the hold at $330, stop at $323, targets $342 then $351. Or wait for the break above $342 and enter on the hold. Either way, $323 is the line in the sand. Below that and Tesla is no longer a bounce setup. It becomes a wait and see. Number 2, Nvidia, ticker NVDA. $219.74 right now. Nvidia is the AI chip king, the most talked about stock in all of tech, and it just pulled back from $226 to $219. This is a coil at support setup. The 52-week high on Nvidia is $236. If it holds here, that test is back on the table. The chart on Nvidia. Support at $218, then $215 underneath. Resistance above is $225, and then $236, which is the 52-week high. Nvidia is sitting right in the $218 to $220 zone, which is a critical support band. If it holds here, the next move targets $225, then a test of the all-time high at $236. Entry on the hold at $218. Stop under $215. Targets $225 then $236. The plan on Nvidia. This is the simplest setup of the 3. Hold $218, enter on the hold, stop $215, targets $225 then $236. If Nvidia breaks $215, step aside and wait for a new level. Nvidia testing the 52-week high at $236 is not a stretch. That is only $16 away from where it is right now. Number 3, Palantir, ticker PLTR. $171.54 right now. Palantir is the government and defense AI play, and it has been the retail trader's favorite for 2 years running. It spiked to $179 earlier this week and has pulled back 3 days straight. Now it is sitting on the $170 support. This is a critical level. The chart on Palantir. Support at $170, then $168 underneath. Resistance at $175, then $179, which was the recent high. A hold at $170 and reclaim of $175 opens $179, then $185. Above $185, Palantir starts looking at $200. Entry on the hold at $170. Stop under $168. Targets $175, then $179. The plan on Palantir. By the $170 hold, stop $168, targets $175, then $179. Palantir is the kind of stock that when it goes, it really goes. The 52-week low was $106. It has more than doubled from there. $168 is where you know the setup is wrong. Above $175, the momentum is back on. Number 4, Intel, ticker INTC. $96.68 right now. Intel is the one on this list that a $100 account can actually buy a full share of. And the setup is real. Intel ripped from its 52-week low all the way up to $107 this week on massive volume, then pulled back hard. 121 million shares traded in a single day. That is a news-driven mover with a clear level to trade. The chart on Intel. Support at $95. The intraday low from today. Below that, $90 is the next floor. Resistance is $100, the round number, then 107, which was the recent high. The setup is a bounce off 95. Entry on the hold at 95. Stop under 90. Targets 100, then 107. With a $100 account, you can buy one full share of Intel right now. That one share has a $12 target. That is 12% in one trade. The plan on Intel. Buy the hold at 95. Stop at 90. Targets 100, then 107. Intel is the most accessible name on this list for a small account, one full share for under $100. The setup is clean, the levels are clear, and the volume proves the move is real. Buy the hold, not the falling knife. Now real talk. If you have $100 and you want to trade Tesla, Nvidia, or Palantir, those stocks are $170 to $337 each. You cannot buy a full share with $100, but you can buy fractional shares. Most brokers, including Moomoo, which is linked in the description, let you buy a fraction of any stock with any dollar amount. $20 of Tesla, $50 of Nvidia, $30 of Palantir. You own a piece of every move. Fractional shares are how small accounts trade big names. That is the real answer. So how do you trade these four? All of them are at critical support right now. You do not have to take all four. Pick the one setup that looks the cleanest to you, size it right, hold the level, and honor your stop. Intel is your full share play. Tesla, Nvidia, and Palantir are your fractional share plays. For different names, for different levels, one rule. If it loses support, you are out. Quick recap. Tesla, 336, hold 330, targets 342 and 351. Nvidia, 219, hold 218, targets 225 and 236, the 52-week high. Palantir, 171, hold 170, targets 175 and 179. Intel, 96, hold 95, targets 100 and 107. For names, for levels, for plans. Not financial advice. Do your own research. 3 rules every trade needs. Number 1, a target. Know where you're taking profit before you ever enter. Number 2, a stop loss. Know where you're wrong and honor it. Number 3, time is your friend. The best trades come to you, so don't force it. Let it come. Position sizing. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Set your stop the moment you enter. This is not financial advice. Educational content only. Do your own research. Trade at your own risk. And remember this one. It's not about timing the market. It's time in the market. Nobody calls the top. Nobody calls the bottom. The people who win are the ones who stayed. If you guys like this content, like, follow, subscribe, throw me something in the comments. I'm here to help you guys. Happy trading, happy investing. I'm live every weekday at 9:30 Eastern. Come hang out.